Yo, what's up, guys? I want to welcome you guys back to another Turning Point video. And today I just want to go over the trade that I took on the 10th of March in AM session that resulted in around a 1 to 8 RR. And then my final TP was around 1 to 11, but we didn't get that, unfortunately, today. But I just want to recap this trade. So let's get straight into it. So as simple as it is, I just want to show you guys how simple, if you keep trading, how it can be and how smooth sailing could be from there. Literally, our two confluences is just using a fib and then finding a PD array that overlaps with the fib, right? So coming into the day, I went on the hourly range. I drew the hourly range and I took it from the high to the low, which was right here. And then I liked how the 706 aligned in this hour rejection block right here. All the rejection block is a long wick that sweeps some sort of liquidity. So here it swept this previous candle's high and closed back within the range. So it was this long wick. And it also was a multiple rejection blocks and multiple time frames. So we had the 30-minute, the 15-minute, not the 5-minute, the 10-minute. So it's multiple rejection blocks. Always you want to enter off of the CE of it. The consequent encroachment of it should be right there. But in this case, I liked how the 706 aligned right before. So I just wanted to see a reaction off of that on open, right? So market opens 9:30. We get the big morning volatility. We come straight up to the 706, and then also we came up straight to my low volume node. And I draw my low volume nodes using the session volume profile, and I just look for C shapes in the volume profile, right? And I always keep it there until it gets filled, right? So until like a C shape like this becomes a mountain peak, like one of these on multiple volume profiles, then you delete it and then redraw it. But I kept it there for a couple of days and it's been a good level, and it literally aligned in there. So we got the tap. We also got the tap of this 1 minute bearish for value gap. We tapped that. Then I like the reaction. So as soon as we got this long wick, and also on my footprint chart, this candle had negative delta, meaning that there was more sellers than buyers in this candle, but the candle closed green. So I was saying there's a lot of selling pressure in this area, in this key area. So I entered right around here once this candle was opening. I had a 20-point stop. And then I wanted to target this low resistance liquidity right here and also this low right here. But also, I entered this around with 5 micros, and I added 2 more on this pullback. And the reason I added 2 more on this pullback is because if I take my fib same sequence from the high to the low, the 706 aligns with the CE of this 1 minute bearish for value gap. And look, that's exactly what we respected. So that could have been another short entry for you right there. Literally just using the fib and overlapping with a simple PD array such as for value gap, get you entries like that. Then we took it down, took partials here, and also took partials here because even though we didn't take this low, and this is around true day open and this low volume node, we had an SMT with ES. And you know, if there's a bullish SMT, well, that's literally where price went up. I know a lot of people took this liquidity sweep right here with this 1 minute inverse with displacement back to these highs, and we've just been chopping around from there once we delivered to this external high. But other than that, this trade ran for about a 1 to 8 RR, and this is the same process, same repeatable process that we use every day here in the Turning Point. So if you guys want to learn more how to take trades like this, just join us here today at discord.gg/turning point. And if you just want a trading community to trade with, join us here. And you got any questions, you can ask us in the comments or just join the Discord and we'll get you in there. So appreciate you guys. And yeah, that was trade recap for today.